The best way to explore the beautiful island of Phuket is on two-wheeler, that is motorcycle. No hassle of parking and expensive fuels, easy to ride in the narrow streets, and easy to park. We welcome you to Rayaan Motorbike Rental, Patong Beach, Phuket. We have latest collection of well-maintained Honda Click 125, Honda Forza 300, Suzuki Fino, Honda PCX 150 with best customer services and cheap rates in town. You can book online before your arrival and we will deliver the motorbike on your hotel free of charge. So what are you waiting for? Book online at www.rayaanmotorbikephuket.com.
Rental company, very fair, fair price, and happy with the service.
Hey, so I had a great time. We got bikes here at Rayaan Guest House and had a good time riding around Phuket.
Yeah, great bikes. They look brand new. They went up the hills with ease. A lot of fun.
And you can leave your passport.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are
of course,
trusted
you can
people.
trust to leave the
Yes.
passport.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.